Do you need a new location to live? But is the high price stopping you from finding one? No problem. The largest tech tycoon, Elon Musk, has arrived to save the day. The days of frantically searching for a new home or apartment are long gone. He has given you a brand new Tesla house as payment for living sustainably. It is futuristic, fashionable, and portable. It only costs $15,000, which you won't believe. No doubt a significant victory. But what does this least expensive house provide? What makes it so impressive? Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite tech channel. Well, in today's video, we'll tell you everything about Tesla's new $15,000 tiny house for sustainable living. Stay tuned till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's dive into our topic. Tesla's new absurdly inexpensive $15,000 home is causing an unheard-of disruption in the housing sector. The Tesla home is a high-quality product that satisfies user desires just like all other Tesla products. The typical American home is roughly 2,600 square feet. A tiny house is between 85 and 95% smaller. Tiny houses, which range in size from 100 to 400 square feet, are becoming increasingly popular across the nation as they support a new minimalistic way of living. A medium home costs between $20,000 and $40,000, whereas tiny dwellings often cost between $200 and $400 per square foot. The popularity of tiny homes has increased as a result of reality TV programs that highlight their charming simplicity. Consider looking into a tiny house if you want a modest place with a reasonable price tag. The new Tesla mobile home is reasonably priced. Simply said, it costs $15,000. The majority of Americans do not own homes due to the high expense of construction. Worldwide, there's an issue with inadequate housing. Tesla's eccentric new residence is, however, addressing that problem. The price of the home is considerably less when compared to the worth of other Tesla products. Tesla goods always stand out when compared to similar products on the market. The Tesla home is distinctive in that regard, since it contains eccentric features that set it different from other homes. Despite being prefabricated, it features a living space, a bathroom, a bed, and a kitchen. Two people were in mind when the house was constructed. As in the middle of 2021, the Tesla CEO, his wife, and son X lived there. It helps to capture solar energy through the solar panels on the roof. Energy is transferred to the power walls, which are utilized to store energy. The stored energy might provide all of the home's power needs. So, in a Tesla home, it is possible to use an electric kitchen, iron clothes, charge electronics, and even heat the house in the winter. Living in a Tesla home is simple. It only has what is necessary. It is a fantastic method to utilize resources, and is not just economical. There's just no need for you to have a home with 15 rooms if your family is only 4 individuals. Before being folded and sent, the Tesla homes are built in factories. This makes it rather simple to determine what is included within the mystery house, which was mostly constructed from EPS foam, steel, and concrete. The home's exterior is made of hardwood, and it required years of testing to find building materials that wouldn't harm the walls. The laminated panels used to construct the flooring and roofs allow for usage on highways. Millionaire Elon Musk resides in a tiny, incredibly inexpensive Tesla home. The Tesla CEO bought the mansion after selling his other 6 homes. The modest home is conveniently located adjacent to Elon Musk's SpaceX enterprise in Boca Chica. But when his 5 teenage children from his prior marriage come to visit, it's unclear how Musk makes do in this little house. Elon lives in a Tesla home. It was discovered when Boxable tweeted in November 2020 that they were building a prefabricated house for one of their high-profile and secretive clients near Boca Chica. Musk is associated with prefabricated homes since he also lives in the Boca Chica neighborhood. However, the accusations were disproved when Elon wrote, "My primary abode is a $50,000 house in Boca Chica. SpaceX is leasing a starbase to me, but it's kind of lovely. I just own the event house in the Bay Area. If I sold it, it wouldn't get as much usage until a big family bought it, which may happen later." Sustainability is a key component of the Tesla new home, just like it is in all other Tesla products. Elon is dedicated to reducing his carbon footprint on the environment. The house is quite simple and will only be powered by solar energy. In an effort to encourage sustainability, Musk stopped using Bitcoin to pay for Tesla products. The hilarious part is we can pull this home around with the Model X, he wrote in a tweet. Any size of the home is beginning to support the Tesla Powerwall. I suppose it would be more efficient to tow the home with a Tesla Cybertruck as it has a greater capacity for hauling. 7 tons as opposed to the Tesla house's 2 tons can be pulled by the tri-motor Cybertruck. Due to its mobility, a Tesla home is an excellent choice for outdoor camping in rural areas. It gives you the closest thing to home when you're distant from it. With other Tesla products, the Tesla home blends in well. Tesla car charging is one use case. This is the sole outcome of the extensive use of equipment for cryptocurrency mining. Computers are powered by extremely unsustainable fossil resources. The Tesla house's portability is a benefit. The tech magnate revealed through tweet that the Tesla Model X is capable of towing the mansion. You won't have to worry about looking for a Tesla supercharging station as a consequence. The yet-to-be-released Tesla smartphone will be able to control some of the equipment that'll be in the compact house. It would be interesting to see how the various Tesla products interact with one another. Inside the Tesla tiny house is a design studio where visitors may use a screen to build their own home solar power system. Solar energy is used to power all of the electronics and lighting, and a Tesla app can be used to monitor and control everything. Instead of being a completely equipped home, the inside is more of a display promoting Tesla items. It couldn't have come at a better time for the Tesla home idea. It has come at a time when the majority of people are unable to afford to obtain mortgages or construct their own homes. The fact that the real estate industry's sluggish expansion is not keeping pace with the expanding housing demand further exacerbates the problem. However, Elon is making things easier with the ridiculously pricey Tesla mansion. Most low-income families of color in America are unable to afford high-quality housing, but now they might just be able to find a cheap Tesla house. After successfully hitting the American market, the Tesla home is now being promoted in Australia. The Tesla marketing crew is towing the vehicle across Australia's main cities, including Sydney, Melbourne, and New South Wales. The locals where the Tesla team travels are amazed by the magnificent residence that is fully powered by renewable resources. The goal of the tour, according to Tesla, is to provide Australian customers with a tailored educational experience and how to seamlessly integrate solar and Powerwall to power a whole house continuously, providing them more control and understanding of their energy usage. The tiny house tour, one of Tesla's most recent efforts, is making its Australian premiere. Although the company has not yet offered solar panels in the country, that is anticipated to change shortly. It's possible that the absurd new Tesla home will end up saving the world. This is crucial since it'll greatly reduce the carbon footprint and is sustainable. Climate change and global warming pose a major danger to human life on Earth. When global warming hits its apex, there will be a considerable rise in average global temperature. As a result, the water on Earth will evaporate, eventually leaving people without access to food and water. Global warming is destroying the ozone layer, which protects the planet from the sun's dangerous UV rays. Without the ozone layer in the atmosphere, life on Earth would be very difficult. Both plants and the plankton that feed the bulk of marine life cannot live or thrive in conditions of intense UV exposure. Therefore, it is important to support any policy that promotes the use of green and clean energy, which is exactly what the Tesla house is doing. The extravagant new Tesla house is opulent and fashionable. It offers a speedy and effective answer to the housing problem. No one will have an excuse for not owning a home once it's feasible to buy a Tesla house. With that being said, what do you think of this new Tesla home? Do you want to purchase one for yourself? Leave your comments with your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and chime the notification bell to keep tabs on all our activities. Thanks for watching.